We are here today to talk about confined spaces. A confined space is a space that is large enough to enter to perform work, it has limited means of egress, and it is not designed for continuous human occupancy. Today we are here with a piece of rescue equipment. You would need this type of rescue equipment when you have a permit-required confined space. A permit-required confined space has all of the three elements that we just discussed, plus any additional safety hazard. So it could be poor lighting, it could be noise, gases in that space, any additional hazard. When you run into that, we have to have a tripod set up for rescue. So here we have a tripod with a winch attached to it. You would attach the employee to the winch prior to getting into the space. Now, one of the most important elements of confined space rescue is having the proper setup and doing an inspection ahead of time. So a couple of things that you want to inspect is the winch line. Make sure that there's not any frays or anything like that on the line. You want to make sure that the footing on these are flat and they're not flipped up. You want to make sure that the chain is also tight. Also, you want to make sure that the employee is completely secured as well. Air quality is going to be another important thing to take a look at prior to entering the space. You also want to continuously monitor that space. Make sure that keep constant communication with the employee and make sure that you never leave that space as the attendant. The attendant always has to be above the space, keeping constant communication with the person that is in the space.